guys, my name is Samuel. Today I was playing about how to play Ekueme. It was played on key E flat, and this is the major surface for key E flat. It's very simple, and then I was playing. It's just 145 do faso that I'm using. So Ekueme is 4, then 5, and back to 1, and you come again 4, 5, 1, 2 times, and then the last one, you move to 4, and you move to 1, and you move to 5. There's no one like you, Ekueme, Ekueme. It's very simple. Ekueme, Ekueme. You are the living God, God. Is no one like you. So it's very simple. Please, the intro too is very simple. It went with do, so, do, la, so, fa, re, mi, la, so, ti, do, ti, re, do, and then so, fa, so, mi, fa, mi, re, ti, so, mi, fa, mi, re, ti, so, mi, fa, re, ti, do. Very simple. So, do, la, so, fa, re, mi, la, so, do, ti, re, do, so, fa, mi, re, ti, so, mi, fa, re, ti, do. So, sit down, take your time, and then watch the intro very well. It's very simple. Please kindly take your time and learn the Ekueme. Thank you very much. Kindly click on my subscribe button, the red button there. Thank you very much.